Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for me today, the Anfield Road expansion update. Haven't been here all weekend, it's been busy. So yeah, I'm here for the first time since Friday, Thursday or Friday. There's a couple of cherry pickers up, a couple of lifts up even. Well, cherry picking and lift. I'm gonna have a look what they're doing. Getting strong wind warnings, but it doesn't feel that windy on the ground. So I want to see what he's up to here. Finishing touches to the underneath there. Whatever it is going there, can't quite see on the screen. Okay, I'll leave him to it. This is Monday. Tomorrow is going to be the first test event for the lower tier. So I'll be back a few times tomorrow, I think. What are they finishing up there? Yeah, I'll be in a roughly afternoon time tomorrow. Get some progress updates, see if there's any road openings. See if there's a way in at least. Not going a way in there is because there's all plants on the ground. Yeah, so see if there's a way in at least, and try and get something from the outside. Not by drone, obviously. I'll just come up with my camera and make a little video. Take some photos as well while I'm there. This is just before 9 o'clock here, by the way, so another couple of lifts here as well. They look like they're doing the same as what the one's doing around the other side, isn't he? Yeah. So it looks like it's all hands to the pump today. I'm here early, just before 9 o'clock, because I'm having a day out with the kids today, but bowl and crazy golf. We're going to that Gravity Max. Don't know if anyone's heard about it in Liverpool. So Bricky's there finishing up that wall there. Yeah, we're going to Gravity Max today, so I might get a little video of that done as well if people want to see what that looks like. These are going to be viewable tomorrow. Yeah, I had a little walk around there when it opens, and it looks really good in there. Something at the city centre's been missing, if I'm being honest. Bowling, crazy golf, go-karting, darts, batting cages for tennis, cricket, baseball. There's all kinds in there. A couple of bars for the adults. So yeah, I'll get some footage of that today. Let's have a look inside. I'm starting to get spots of rain, guys, so I'm going to have to rush this a bit. Quick look at that corner. Yeah, they're working on that today. Loads going on there, haven't they? Look at that. Yeah, hearing all kinds of rumours. There's definitely going to be seats in there from what I'm hearing. How many? I've heard 100 and odd, up to 300 seats. So make of that what you will. Plenty going on there anyway. Spots of rain are hitting me now. I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone, so I'm going to have to bring the drones down any minute. Picture's looking amazing now, isn't it? Look at that. Looks different every time I come here. So inside the ground, the only work really is that corner No more blowtorch under the seats gone on. And another zoom into that corner while I'm here. Then I might have to abort. Come down a little bit heavier, the rain. It's really murky, the skies. So what's going on with this back wall here then? What's that? So just have, I don't have a little, I don't know. Like, sorry about this guys, I'm going to have to bring it down. It's raining now. It's not just spotting. But I've got a little something done. So I need to get the drone over the park just in case there is a malfunction due to the rain. Yeah, so looks like there's loads going on today. If there's no rain later, I'll come back later and get some more footage. But because I think there's going to be quite a bit going on today, especially with that opening tomorrow. But guys, it's a short one. Yeah, it's going to be under 8 minutes. But it's all I can do with this rain. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Really helps me out. Likes are always appreciated, and comments, I always reply to the comments. So leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Right, gonna leave it there, guys. As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.